Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video for you guys, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you my new mini Pochette accessoire, and this is in the Damier Azur. This is after the price increase, so it was a little bit expensive, but I have been eyeing this for a very long time. I'm actually really bummed that I did get it after the price increase because it's literally been on my wish list when it was like $100 cheaper, $80 cheaper. Here we are, at least we have it. It was a journey getting this. Like I said, it was on my wish list for over a year. Finally got my hands on it. It was literally a Tuesday night, I believe, like 7 p.m. I was able to add it to my bag. So that was like the first time, because it's always been out of stock and it's always been not available. We finally have it here. I'm so excited. It did take a little while. I had a whole delay with the delivery. There was an issue with that too, but at least we're here. So it came in this, my little package was right there. One thing I do want to mention, sometimes when you're watching videos online, you can get a little carried away. So in my head, I was already like thinking that the mini Pochette was a lot bigger than it was, and I completely forgot how tiny it is. It is a really tiny piece. So the package that it came in is super tiny. It is a small leather good, so it's just meant to hold like a couple toiletries, nothing big. So just make sure you keep that in mind when you're buying this. So it did come with a blue ribbon, which I was really happy about because I know some people had placed orders earlier on in the year, especially during the beginning of the pandemic, and people weren't getting any ribbons, but I'm happy that I got a ribbon. And it was packaged so beautifully. If I can insert a picture, I will. So this is, it actually doesn't even have anything written here. When I saw it, I thought it was something, but it's just like a little small envelope and it's empty. If I wanted to, they could have written something here, which I feel like you're buying this online, and even if you're getting it for yourself, just write yourself a little note. Like, I kind of wish I did that, so then I would just have that in sort of like a little memory, but maybe I'll write on it myself actually. Then we also got a little envelope. So this is our little receipt. So you have the little receipt and it says here mini Pochette accessoire. Then you have the care card. So it just says, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. Blah, blah, blah. Basically just making sure that you are taking care of your product and not being, neglectful of it. You do need to take care of it if you want it to last. And then I have my little return slip just in case I do need to return it. So let's open it. So I already opened it. Like I said, it is a little hard to open. You do have to sort of pull it out. So this is how it looks like, and you have your little dust bag, really nice. I'm definitely going to store it in here. This is the mini Pochette, guys. Look at that. This is so beautiful. I love it. Originally, I actually wanted the Damier Ebene, but then I thought about it, and on the website, when I did see that it was available in Damier Ebene. And then I refreshed the page. Well, I didn't refresh it, but I don't know. I was looking at the Damier Ebene and I was like, should I get that? And then I refreshed it again. It was unavailable. But I had kind of already decided that I wasn't going to get the Damier Ebene, even though that's like my favorite print. But then I saw that it was available in Damier Azur, and I was like, I do want it in the Damier Azur. And even though it is a lot more difficult to take care of, it is a lighter piece. You can see it's really pretty easy to get color transfer, anything that's light. But I really do love the design of this. I love how light it is, like a nice kind of like white, creamy white with the blue. It looks like it's gray or black, but it's actually blue, so that's why it's called Damier Azur. It's not really picking it up in camera, but it is like a blue. But it's so beautiful. And I am so in love with it. It's so tiny. So I kind of angled it a little bit more down so that way you can see. So this is the little Vachetta, what do you call it? Tab. Mine is made in France. I know that in the resale market, you do get a bigger profit a lot of times, or the made in France pieces are in more demand. A lot of people prefer them. You can see from the side. lines up really beautifully. So this is a little, what do you call this? Little chain, and you can definitely unhook it and use it as a wristlet. Sorry about the noise. So we have our little cards in here. So you have the Louis Vuitton coated fabric. So this is just sort of like your little authenticity card. So it just proves kind of, or it can be your little authenticity card for this. This is made out of cowhide leather. It does patina over time, meaning that it does darken. So over time, this will turn into like a honey brown color, as you've probably seen people carrying their Louis. And it's just some wear, and it's definitely like just a sign that you loved your product and you wore and you appreciated it. I plan on actually using Apple Guard. I know I've seen other people do videos here on YouTube applying Apple Guard to the Vachetta parts of their bag just to protect it from like watermarks or oil, like things like that, just to sort of waterproof it, just so it's more protected and you can, I guess, feel more carefree when using it, which I definitely want to take care of it. I want to preserve this, but I also want to make sure that I'm not like going to damage it in any way, and definitely feel like watermarks would be something that would like sort of bother me if I like looked at it and I could see. So this is how the interior looks like. It's like a nice light beige color. It looks a little darker on camera, but it's a nice light beige. And you have your little date code. I'm trying to focus the camera. So this is a little date code. It says SF0281. I searched it up, so it basically means that it was produced in France in the 11 week of 2021, so around, I believe, February or March. So pretty recently. Really nice hardware. So you have the little matte zipper. And then if you zip it up, a really nice smooth zipper. Really pretty. A lot of people think that this bag is made out of leather, but it's made out of coated canvas. It does have that sort of leathery feel, but it's because of the coating on top of it. So it's just used to protect it and make it last longer. But yeah, I'm in love with this bag, guys. It's a beauty. It's so tiny, but it's perfect for holding little toiletries. So one of the things that I love about this bag is the little chain. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it looks beautiful against like the creamy white color and then the blue. I think it's just a beautiful combination. I did love the Damier bean. I loved that it had a red interior. But like I said, I just overall love the lighter sort of neutral color of this. So you can definitely wear this as a wristlet and, you know, sort of walk around like this, carry like your keys. It does not fit your phone, but you can definitely carry keys in here, lipstick, hand sanitizer. What I plan on doing is like using a little insert in here so that way I can protect the interior and not get any marks on it. I definitely won't be putting any pens or anything that can like easily spill. Really beautiful. So it looks again. Full focus. So pretty. The back side, the stitching's all really nice. And some people like to put this underneath the tab so that way you can sort of hide the chain. Because I know some people don't like the sound of the chain banging on things, which part of me is kind of like, I don't want this chain to like get ruined. So you can tuck it in here. So that way you're not banging the chain everywhere and it's not going everywhere. So that way you can easily sort of like disguise it. If you want some more close-ups, I will definitely be able to do that. Oh, let me show you. I got a little strap for it. This is the Vachetta leather strap. It's slightly a different color than the Vachetta trim on the mini Pochette, but I don't really mind as much because Can't really tell, and it looks really nice. Slightly a bit more peachy, and this is like more beige, but this will darken over time. This will darken too, so I feel like they should match up. Looks just like the LV one, and even has that same little clasp. And while I went searching for that strap, I got the little apple guard. So this is what it is from the Apple brand, rain and stain repellent. So you basically just apply this right there, spray it all over here. I would probably put like something to block the rest of it getting sprayed. Spray it right on that, and it just helps to waterproof that. And then you can spray it like every 6 months or every year, just to continue to preserve your little item. And then you have yourself a gorgeous crossbody bag. I'm gonna get like an even tinier strap and use it as like a shoulder bag. What I'm gonna do is also get a gold one, which I already actually ordered, and I'm waiting for that in the mail, so that way I can also use it with a little gold chain, like as like a little strap. And then you can even double loop it, and then it's like a triple chain, I guess. I love how versatile it is. This video. I know it was kind of long. I also forgot to show this. This is the other authenticity card, but that's what comes with it. You always want to keep this just in case you do want to resell it, just to prove authenticity. If you are thinking about getting the mini Pochette, I would definitely suggest you get it as soon as they have another price increase, because their stuff is only getting more expensive and more expensive. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I know it was really different than what I usually do, but I was just so excited about this, and I wanted to share it with you all. And if you like this and you want to see more sort of like unboxing or little cute videos like this, then definitely let me know, because they're definitely fun to film. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.